is up, y'all? So today I'm gonna be doing a beauty supply haul, okay? Now let me tell y'all, okay? I live in Jersey and I used to live in New York. So we always had beauty supply stores in New York, you know what I'm saying? But I didn't think that the beauty supply stores out here would be the same way. But let me tell y'all, it got juicy, okay? It got really juicy. So I have a whole bag of stuff. From hair stuff to jewelry to nails, a bunch of different stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I'm really excited for the stuff I got and I wanted to show y'all, you know what I'm saying? So if you're new here, shout out to you, welcome to the channel. If you're not new here, welcome back to the channel, okay? You already know how it is over here on this side. We get litty, okay? Make sure y'all subscribe if you are new though. Hit that button, okay? But anyway, we're gonna jump on in because I got a lot. These are 300 bobby pins in a container. It's the value pack. All right, next I got this Shea Miracle Bouncy Curls Pudding. Okay, I had never used this before, but I bought it. It's first time go around, you know what I'm saying? It was Bouncy Curl Pudding. I mean, that just sounds great. You know, I had to try it. Copped it, okay? Then this right here. This is my Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, okay? Now, when I was doing my little trial runs with my deep conditioners, I used this and it's amazing. It's amazing. This right here, this is like one of the best deep conditioners. It's not even name brand, it's not nothing, but it works. Amazing, okay? This is Shea Moisture, Mongago and Hemp Seed Oils High Porosity Moisture Correct Mask. That's a lot. It has protein and apple cider vinegar in it. It's a deep condition and revive damaged hair. So one of the brands that I've been researching is Aunt Jackie's, okay? And they don't sell Aunt Jackie's in like other stores, but when I went to the beauty supply store, I seen a whole section for Aunt Jackie's, okay? So I had to cop product. First time, first buy. We gonna see how it works. But this is Curl Lala Defining Curl Custard. I cannot wait to try this because I have been waiting to try the brand. We gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see how that go. This is my holy grail, okay? Now, my holy grail used to be Miss Jessie's, but this right here, this has won my heart, okay? This is Dark and Lovely Anti-Shrinkage Curl Defining Cream Glaze. This is what I have in my hair right now. This gets my curls popping, okay? I absolutely love this product, so I had to re-up, okay? That bottle will be gone. Last hair product is, every time I see this brand, I cringe, but my mom buys this, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna tell y'all the joke in this in a minute. This is Garnier Fructis Curl Shape Defining Spray Gel. Y'all, what gel you know that sprays? I just want to put that out. It's in my hair right now. It's done a good job. I ain't complaining. It's a good product. But I'm just saying, what gel sprays? I had to try it though, you know? It's all about trying stuff, guys. Alright, then I got some face stuff. This is nasty. This is tomatoes. It's called Yes to Tomatoes Clear Skin. It's like a little skin kit. So it's for your nose. It's for your blackheads. It's a nose kit. And it's a step 1, step 2 process packet. You know what I'm saying? Then this one is the Yes to Cucumbers. This is an eye kit for my discoloration under my eyes. Gotta keep that face in check, you know what I'm saying? Gotta keep that, you know? This is random, but I needed this. This is an edge brush, you know what I'm saying? Mine is it's a little tricky, okay? It's getting old, a little dusty, you know, a little dirty. So I copped this. It's dope. It has like a comb on it. It's literally the same thing as my other one, but it's new and clean. I got these. They had like a little lip gloss section, you know what I'm saying? So that's my section. So this is a mango butter lip gloss, and then this one is a coconut oil lip gloss. It's real healthy lip gloss. You know, it comes with benefits, you know? Not only does it make you look cute, but it also moisturizes, okay? Then I got these Biore Charcoal Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. Once again, gotta keep that face in check. This is for my black kids. Little nose strips. I got the nail polish for these, okay? This is the Kiss 100 pack of coffins, but they're clear, so that way you could paint them. Either you can leave them natural and clear, or you can paint them. So I got myself a big pack. My favorite shape of nails is coffin, you know what I'm saying? So I had to get the jumbo pack, so that way I can paint them. So I got 3 different nail colors. I got this Barbie pink because I ain't never wear a Barbie pink, and I just want to see how it'll look. So this is RK by Kiss Strawberry Shortcake. Got that one. This is by the same brand, and it's in Carousel. I don't know how to explain this. It's kind of like a coral orange, pinkish, brownish situation. And then I got this little glitter. It's also the same brand, and it's in Sparkly Gorgeous. So I'm gonna put the glitter either by itself, or I'll put it on top of a nail polish color. I just wanna spice it up, you know? So I got that. And then there was a wall full of fake press-ons, which is my specialty. So I just had to, okay? I just had to. So these are all by the Kiss, well, no. Yeah, these are all by the Kiss brand, which is, normally I go to Walmart for my nails, but when I went here, they had a lot, like way more than Walmart selection, so I had to go crazy. So this is the Glam Fantasy Special Effects line, okay? This is how they look. This is what I have on right now. These junks are sexy. It has like a little hologram design, and then it has sparkly, and then it's like a lilac purple. It's, you know. Then these are the Masterpiece One of a Kind Luxe Manis. These are like ombre-ish. They're kind of dope. It's like cotton candy color. It's like blue and pink. And it has metallic in here. Yeah, it's dope. And then this is the One of a Kind Luxe Manis again, but they're pink and they have jewels all over them. These are also dope. And then these are the regular Kiss ones. These are the Gel Fantasies. This is the ones I usually get from Walmart, but they're a different design. And they're like gold and sparkly, and they're a little on the longer side. And they're not coffin. They're more like square, but in a very narrow shape. I don't know, they're dope. I already wore those once. And then these are the luxury handcrafted ones. These are really, really cute. They're silver sparkly ones and blue, and these are really, really dope. I might wear these next. Then I had to check out the jewelry, cause you should know. They had so much cute jewelry. I had to cop these gold hoops, okay? I needed a new pair of bamboo hoops. I got these. They had bigger sizes, but these were perfect. So I got those. I got these. They're like little heart studs. They're like gold and silver. This one I don't want to wear regular studs. They're like heart shaped. They're really, really cute. This is a little gold Michael Kors necklace, and it's in the shape of a lock, but it has Michael Kors on the front. This is so cute. But I had to get the matching earrings so it could be a little matchy set, you know, real fancy. That's how they look. But yeah, they go perfectly together. 2 little gold hoop earrings, cause I needed some regular hoops too. So these ones are like in a different shape, and then these are just regular gold hoops. And then the last pair of earrings I got is these. I ran to these when I seen them because they were sexy as heck, but they just say queen. And I don't have a pair of earrings like this, so it was dope to get these. They're little dangly earrings that say queen. So that is all I got from the beauty supply store. Okay guys, I went a little crazy, you know. Got a little too crazy, but I had to because I haven't went to the beauty supply store in a minute. So yeah, make sure y'all comment down below and let me know what was your favorite item that I showed, or if you have used any of these products, whether it's a hair product or a skin product. Let me know how that went for y'all. Maybe if y'all want to talk about the Aunt Jackie's, because I never used it. Let me know in the comments down below. But that's gonna wrap up this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, smash the like button, and I will see y'all in my next video. Peace out.